This coward should have been here to listen to us.
Jeffrey Willis walks out of court before sentencing started, blowing a kiss as he walked out after family called him a coward. He was not there to hear the victim's statements. Today he was given life in prison without parole for the murder of Rebekah Bletsch. 24 Hour News 8's Heather Walker was in the courtroom watching it all unfold. She joins us live from Muskegon. Heather?
Well, Emily, it's unlike anything that I have ever seen. We actually heard an audible gasp in that courtroom, again, like something I have never seen before. Audible gasp in that courtroom when he walked out, blowing that kiss. The family obviously upset that he wasn't there to listen to their statements, only adding to their pain the fact that he wasn't there. But the judge said that there was no law requiring Willis to be present for sentencing. And so that's why he was allowed to leave. Now, Bletsch's two sisters and mother still read their victims' statements. The prosecutor read one written by Bletsch's husband. He was also in court, but wanted to stay out of view. The family told us afterwards that they had to sit through the trial for weeks, and they can't believe that Willis had the right to walk out today.
For 3 years, I've waited to say to him those things, and the fact that he was coward enough to just walk out blows my mind. It just, that's another thing I have to sit with and, work through. I really wanted that opportunity to look him in the eyes and tell him how we're feeling, how we're grieving, how much hurt he's put us through, and how much, my family's missing out on from the selfish act he did.
Willis is now heading to prison. There was some debate, well, not so much debate, but there was a request put in by Willis to remain in the county jail until the Jessica Herringa trial. But today the judge said that he did not have the right to make that decision, that it was up to MDOC, and that decision has now been made that he will be going to prison to start serving his life sentence. He'll, of course, come back for the Herringa trial. But that has been settled today. Now, coming up at 5 and 6, the family now focusing on Kevin Bloom, Willis's cousin, and their fight to keep him behind bars. We'll tell you more about that tonight. For now, reporting live in Muskegon, Heather Walker, 24 Hour News 8.
Thank you, Heather. And as Heather mentioned, Willis will be back in court next year. He's also been charged with kidnapping and murdering missing woman Jessica Herringa. Herringa disappeared from a Norton Shores gas station where she worked in April of 2013. She has not been found. That trial is scheduled to begin March 6th. Well, a trial date has not been set yet for the alleged kidnapping of a teenage girl in May of 2016. That incident is partially what blew this series of cold cases open, tying Willis to the crimes. He also faces multiple child pornography charges. Willis is accused of taping his underage neighbors while they were undressing. You can catch all of our reports connected to the Jeffrey Willis trials on our website, woodtv.com. Just search Willis in the search bar.